So we got this good news that the legislative framework to help the Nigeria Stock Exchange fast-track the process of transmuting or transform from being an organization limited by guarantee into a new era of being a public liability company called PLC, limited by shares, have passed a second reading at the National Assembly, or the House of Reps to be specific. And that's in the news as we speak. We're going to keep tracking that for you. A very interesting trading week comes to an end today in about a couple of hours. So let's get Chukwuma Anyanwu, head of research at GTI Securities, to talk to us. Chukwuma, good morning. Thanks for coming through.
Good morning, boss, and thanks.
A very interesting week coming to an end today. What's your sense of the week sessions so far?
Well, largely aligning to popular expectations. I think I remember the previous time I was here before Monday, we mentioned when we were talking about what the market was going to be doing and if the bears were going to take a strong footing into the market. And I think our consensus on that day was that because of the quality of the FPI participation we are seeing coming back into the market, that there was still a lot of buying opportunity, which meant that the bears would probably just be short-lived, and they did that. And that's the sentiment that's largely prevailed this week. Currently, the market is up, even though marginally, but it's up, and it's driven largely by consumer goods, by industrial goods and oil and gas.
Yes, it looks like some news are also coming from the Main Street side, from the economic side, part of what we say. Look at the last few days, 3 sessions for the oil and gas, with the news that Forcados, the oil terminal, is back on stream, and it looks like everybody just rushed and said, hold on a second, we're coming, and just pumped into the oil retailers. And so it looks like, based on what you said in the last couple of days, if we hold the fiscal side of things in terms of policies and actions right, then we might just see the stock market giving us some good returns.
Absolutely. It's gratifying to know that we are seeing a direct correlation between macroeconomic issues and the market. And you can see the spot-on reaction, to positive economic data filtering into the market. I think what a lot of investors are currently waiting for now is the final accent to the budget and the implementation of that budget, in which case we will see another probably strong bull run, largely driven by the fact that we are seeing positive economic data.
Okay, so we're about, where are we? About 32,000, is it not?
Yes, we're about 32,000.
How soon do you think 35,000 will come? At the rate at which you folks are going, 35,000, well, almost 33,000, you think we can get another 2,000 around another 1 week?
Maybe 2 or 3 weeks. We would see some slowdown next week based on my reading of this market. I think a lot of people will also want to wait for another round of momentum. But the thing is, we are getting a lot of positive vibes back to back. Very soon, we'll get H1 numbers coming into the market, and the large sentiment, or the majority of the sentiments that people that I've spoken with, or the companies that I've looked at, it's looking like it's going to be a positive earnings season for half year. So we would see another strong bull run again, also justified by positive performance of the market and companies and the general economy. So yes, it's looking like 35,000 isn't so far-fetched anymore, but I'm holding my breath. I think maybe 2-3 weeks we can achieve that.
Okay, as my good friend at EFC will say, Andrew Ali, buy on the rumor, sell on the news. Thanks for putting some rumors, or what you call market hearsay, into the conversation about what the half-year earnings will look like in second quarter. Thank you very much, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Chukwuma Anyanwu from GTI Securities. I'll see you again back on Monday, bright and early. Let's start next week together. June the 12th, a very important day on Nigeria's political calendar. It's going to be important also for us here in the world of business. Do have a great weekend, and see you then.